In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bar chart in TradingView. Whether you're just getting started with chart analysis or you're a seasoned trader looking to refine your approach, understanding how to use bar charts can be a game changer. Bar charts provide a clear and simplified view of price movements, helping traders make more informed decisions. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to switch to bar charts in TradingView and gain a better understanding of their structure and benefits. Let's dive in and get started. First, open the TradingView website on your computer or launch the TradingView app on your mobile device. Now, while both the desktop and mobile versions provide access to the platform's features, I highly recommend using the desktop version. It's much easier to navigate and gives you a better view of the charts and tools available. Once the platform is open, log in to your TradingView account. If you're new to TradingView and don't yet have an account, don't worry, you can sign up for free. Alternatively, you can explore the charting features without logging in, though having an account allows you to save your work and access additional features. If you'd like to create an account, you can use the link provided in the description below to get started. Once you're logged in or ready to explore, locate the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you can look up the financial instrument you want to analyze. For example, if you're interested in Apple stock, simply type APL into the search bar. Alternatively, you can enter the name of any other instrument or asset you want to examine. After typing your query, select the correct option from the search results. This will bring up the chart for the financial instrument you've chosen. Now that the chart is open, focus your attention on the chart area. By default, TradingView displays a candlestick chart for the selected financial instrument. This is where all the action happens. If you're on a computer, hover your mouse over the candlestick icon located near the top of the chart area. On a mobile device, tap on the candlestick icon instead. As you do this, you'll notice tooltips appear, indicating that this is the chart type menu. Click or tap on the candlestick icon to open the menu, which displays a list of available chart types. From this menu, select bar as your preferred chart type. Bar charts are a fantastic option because they display the open, high, low, and close prices in a way that some traders find less cluttered compared to candlestick charts. They simplify the visual representation, making it easier to focus on the essentials. Once you select the bar chart option, take a moment to observe how the chart transforms. Instead of the candlestick patterns, you'll now see a series of vertical bars. These bars represent the price movement for the selected time interval. Each bar includes small horizontal ticks to indicate the opening and closing prices. The top and bottom of the bar represent the high and low prices for that period. It might look a little different at first, especially if you're new to bar charts, but take your time to get accustomed to this layout. It's an effective way to analyze market trends in a more streamlined format. If you decide you'd like to switch back to candlestick charts or explore other chart types, you can easily repeat the same steps. Just hover over or tap the chart type icon again to reopen the menu and select your desired option. Experimenting with different chart types can be incredibly useful as it allows you to find the format that best suits your trading style and preferences. And that's it. You now know how to switch to and use bar charts in TradingView. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.